Everybody get your fucking hands up.
Jailbreak it. So, and as you can see, I'll show you guys. I took the cover off my ps3 right there. That's the one I'm jailbreaking. That over there is the one I jailbroke last week. And this one here is a customer's ps3 that I'm downgrading for $50. So, this is how it's done. So as you watched my video earlier, I completely tore apart the ps3, jailbroke it, downgraded it. Now we're putting on the firmware. This is actually jailbreaking it right now. So let's hit start and select. Hold it down for 5 seconds. Should reformat. And after the reformat process, then it's going to install the firmware, which it already checked it. So now this is where I was stuck on the update loop earlier. When I put the ribbon in, I hit the button down. I'm supposed to hit the button up to lock the ribbon in. There it is, formatting. Do not turn off the system or remove the storage media. After the format operation has completed, the system will restart and installation of the system software will begin. So this is it. And once I jailbreak it all, I'll just put the top cover back on. But yeah, the only thing that was wrong with it was the ribbon that goes for the DVD drive. It came unplugged when I put my power supply back in. So you got to have all those connections hooked up correctly. If you don't, it'll short it out, and the system will know that something's fucked up and it won't do anything. So now we're jailbreaking it. We're formatting it. Now we're going to jailbreak it. All it took was one connection not put in properly. So remember, when you guys downgrade, make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you have all your connections hooked up. Now you're going to see it upgrade the firmware. I'm putting 4.81 rebug on because that's what I like. So here we go. Now they told me this system cannot be jailbroken. I just want to prove everyone wrong. This definitely took a little bit longer doing it on the live stream instead of me just banging it out, but alright. System software version 4.81.1 rebug. Press the PS button, checking for update data. Now it's going to make us sign the user agreement. If everything goes smoothly, we will have a user agreement to accept. And I do not have my internet cable plugged in. Ooh, hell yeah. Codename rebug disclaimer. Fuck yeah. This asks you. Then you go over, accept, do not turn off the system, hit the X button. Now we're putting on our jailbreak. 4.81, baby. So you're going to come over here, system mode, go to rebug. XMB operation mode, debug. Debug menu type, you want DEX. Toggle XMB CFW settings, enabled. Toggle Cobra mode, enabled. PS2 emulator. You can play PS2 games on here too. You're gonna leave that in Cobra. Now you're gonna put toggle webman enabled. Now, if you come back up, system information, we're still on CEX. Nothing's changed. I'll show you how to do that right now. So, first thing you want to do is you're going to come all the way down to the bottom. You want to dump your EID root key. Actually, we'll hold up on that. You can rewrite the target ID flash. So your firmware current version mode 4.816 kernel allows you to dump the EID root key. You can dump it and convert from sex to dex, vice versa, with this toolbox. If you have your root key placed, then you will be greeted with a choice now. I don't have it. Alright, so that's why you gotta come down, dump your EID root key. So let's just do that. Now it's going to restart. So anytime you dump your EID root key, it'll do that. So now we're going to go rebug toolbox again. Now we should be able to switch from sex to dex. So let's come on over. Let's rewrite the target IED flash. Do you want automatic conversion from sex to dex? Fuck yeah. Now you're going to come up. You want to swap the LV2 kernel. The LV kernel successfully changed to dex debug. System restart is required. Fucking right. Hey, Views. You are one of my moderators. I'm making you moderator. Anyone who talks smack, bam. Co-host is $5 an hour on BO2. $10 for modded accounts. $180 for your own jailbroken ps3. I got 2 of them in stock, ready to ship. Alright. So now we're going to go to your rebug toolbox. You want to make sure that it's on dex, full dex, LV2 kernel, and target type. System information, dex, dex. Fuck yeah. Alright. So that's it. You want your toggle QA flag enabled. This here is kind of like toggle QA that I installed in the app. It helps you downgrade from a higher firmware to a lower one. If you want to go on 3.55, co-host 5 mod account 10. You're new to the channel. He's my moderator on my other channels, so you got to be on the channel for a little while. See, look, my RSX temperature is 55 degrees. That's like retardedly low. Alright, so after I clean this whole thing, re-thermal paste, look at my CPU, 56 degrees. You believe that? And this thing's been on for a while. Fan hasn't kicked on. This is going to be one of the best jailbreaks I've done. So let's go to quit. Now I'll show you how to restart. There's a few things you got to do that we installed. So you want to go to your packages, like I believe Iris Man. I think you have to enable these things. Alright, so that's good. Let's exit to XMD. Yo, what's up, James Fox? Just jailbroke this PS3 on live stream. Downgraded the whole process, flashed it, everything. So now you want to enable your control console. Alright. Control, and some of this program will install control on your PS3. Are you sure? Yes. Alright, now it's going to reboot. Now, if you guys bought an E3 flasher, you can go into business for yourself too. As you've seen on the live stream from earlier, it's pretty hard. A lot of stuff you gotta do. Now we gotta enable multi-man. A lot of the apps that you install, you have to go back in and click on them and install them. Alright. Yep, accept the agreement. Yes. 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 Installing multi-man to my hard drive. And remember, all you guys, make sure to follow me on Twitch. There we go. Now, one thing I like to do is switch off this garbage music. Where the hell is it? You got all these options to change your XMB. Theme, audio, disable. Alright. So, let's see. What else we gotta do? That's it. That's basically it, guys. Now, if you were on your laptop, you would have to install like Cappy, this control console 2.6 on your PC, and that way you can run your RTM tools from your laptop to your PlayStation, like name changes, all that stuff. And if you want me to show you how to install mod menus, I will try to hook up my HDMI cable to my laptop and go on my on the TV. Hold up 1 second. Now,